Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Discord show what games you're playing right now. So in this case, open your Discord desktop version, not a browser version. Go to desktop version first. After logging to your desktop version Discord, go here, user settings. Scroll down till you find activity settings. Under activity settings, you'll find here registered games. Click on registered games and you will find here all of your games. I don't have any games right now in my computer, that's why it's not showing. But if you playing any games or installed any games in your computer, that will be shown here. If doesn't show, you have to click here, edit, then drag down menu and all of your game will be shown here like this. Click on this and click on add game. You can see that game is added. So your all games will be shown here after you registered this game in with Discord. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.